Well, welcome back. Welcome back. Let's continue on our tour after the rainstorm, and after we return from vacation to see all the growth. Y'all ready? I already showed you guys the south garden. So now let's check out the fence path, the south fence and the east path. See what's growing and what needs to be pulled and cleaned up, what needs to be chopped and thinned out. Oh, this is the okra garden. My mom finished planting her okras, and we'll have zinnias and cosmo intercropped in there. And you see that it will be bordered with marigolds. And look at this, you guys. We have a lily. We have the squash and zucchini. And this one also have fine border damage, but we'll fix it here in a minute. We gotta mix some chemical and get that resolved. But I put dahlia with the squash in that pot too. But the okras look happy. So this is her triangle okra bed. And check out the curry plant and the strawberries has brown cover and the sweet alyssum in it. Oh, let's stop by this bed first. I still have my winter sown stuff I need to get rid of and throw it away. Ooh, yeah, I need to plant that rhubarb. But we have cucumbers in there. I think that's a squash. And then more cucumbers that I need to train. The peas are done. They just need to be pulled. And this cucumber needs to be treated to powdery mildew, fungal infection, and lots of marigolds. I don't know what to do with them. Should I transplant them, pull them? What to do? Okay, this is gonna be loud, but my lettuce bed is insane. You forget about them for a week, you forgot about for a week, and everything is just overgrown and bolted. Isn't that insane? Oh, and look at this squirrel. I think this is a zucchini. Ooh, we have a baby zucchini. Do you see the baby zucchini? This was gonna be a cucumber trellis, but so far we only have 2 cucumbers, one on each side, so I may have to direct seed some more. I like to have at least 2 on each side, but doesn't look like it's happening. I think there's one cucumber being buried in here. See the little cute cucumber. This one, no cucumber. No strawberries either. So in this bed, we're using strawberries as a ground cover. Like these, I need to pull these. I'm saving the Loxford seeds, but I need definitely pull these false Queen Anne lace. I'm saving these tonight. I'm going to put the seeds away, coriander seeds. So we have cilantro throughout the garden again soon. I just tossed them everywhere. And the roses were beaten up by the rainstorms. So we definitely need to deadhead the roses. But I love the color. Isn't she beautiful? Look at the Millennium Allium. Isn't she sweet? Okay. the coneflower's having a tough time. And look at that sweet dianthus, or sweet wings. And look, my diseased rose. She is sweet mademoiselle. She needs to be pruned. And this is exciting. You guys ready for some blackberry magic? But before that, this one blue belongs to Saffron Johin. And then there we go. Our blackberries are getting out of hand. And then zinnias is here. The zinnias have arrived. Look at all the blackberries. And this is Princess Charlene. Princess Charlene needs to be pruned. You see the bug? See that bug in her flower? Darn spider making my flowers ugly. Okay, let's take a look at the blackberries again. Blackberries galore. I think they'll be ready to get in some tummies very soon. And these, I'm saving this for seeds because I gave away a lot of my seeds of this magenta snapdragon color, which I love so much. It looks lovely with the lightress. So I saved the seeds and then we'll prune some. And then the blueberries, we harvested a handful earlier today for snack. So we still have some to be harvested tomorrow, added to cereal or just snack. And oh, we have a dog loose. Dog is out. Heidi, why are you on the other side of the fence? This is Saffron Johin, clamming rose. Next year we'll teach her how to clam properly. This year she's a little unruly. Heidi, get back in the fence. You lost a dog. Cucumbers, I got 2 cucumbers in there. Forgot the varieties. And then the yellow rose. Look, a beetle in there. I bet it's a Japanese beetle, isn't it?
What are you doing on that side of the gate?
So this is my south border or south passway. We're in between now, but next month it'll be full again. Not with roses, but with annuals. I think like zinnias, cosmos, and maybe another flush of the yarrow. Let's walk out to our east pathway. So this is facing the east sun. It's a mess. So here I got 2 ground covers, 2 types of ground covers. The Clover, which is invading the pathway, as you can see. I just can't get rid of it. Not sure if I love it. And then zinnias up. Yarrows are spent, so we need to cut all these. We need to prune the Chinese snowball viburnum, and maybe pull some dill, and then retrain some roses. Because we planted some clamming roses again, like we did in the south fence. And this she's new. I'm gonna cut her in later. White wedding hydrangea, and that is bloomstruck. My hydrangea is not looking good. A lot of them are not, and I'm not sure why. But the deal is out of hand. Maybe I got the mammoth deal scattered. But the beans, these are fava beans, and they are starting to produce. And the zinnias are here, representing her colors. Beautiful pink. And this anise hyssop. I'm thinking about digging this whole thing right here and bring it to another part of in the tropical garden, because it's kind of congested and the rose is getting sick with powdery mildew and other fungal disease, I bet. See, it's sick. It needs to be treated. Too much rain. Too much rain. So another ground covers we're doing. It's not, there are weeds in there, but I don't have time to address it. But this ground cover is creeping veronicas, and it's an evergreen, and I love it. But they only bloom like for a month or two. Pretty white and blue flowers like these in the spring. They're the first to flower. But I think they're a little congested. The alliums are spent. They need to be pulled. So lots of work. And this is my prize rose. What is her name? Oh my gosh. Oh, Eden. Pretty in pink Eden. I've got on eBay, and now she is alive. See, my hydrangea is not looking too good. I don't know what's wrong. It's yellow instead of green, so it's malnutritious somehow. I gotta scan her and see what's wrong with her. And then fava beans. Hopefully we get some beans soon, because I do love fava beans. And here's the rest of the messy south border. She was so glorious a couple months ago, but she will need help. Look at this lamplight hydrangea. And the salmon zinnias, she's so beautiful. Yarrows need a haircut. Evergreen is screaming. She needs help. Alright, so here's the border. I'm saving these Luxford seeds because I like the colors. I think this is white and blue, and that's white and pink. So we'll get a paper bag and stuff the seeds in and pull the seeds and clean up the garden. Clean up this bed, the south bed. But I don't think I'll be able to get to it tonight. It may be the next sometimes later on this week on my next time off. But that's it. Now I must go back to work. Let's put the camera away to go to work.